Okay, we are a company located in Greece, in Athens. Very old company, 40 years old company, family company, specialized in tools, and we decided to come participate in this fair in order to find a partner distributor for our brands Nakayama and Borman for Turkish market. We believe that this is a good market for us. It's a very big country. It's next to Greece, so it's very easy to export. And we believe through this fair we can achieve finding a partner and distribute our products here. We met a lot of people, we have a lot of contacts from Turkish market, and we believe that we will meet one of them. We will be able to be our next partner for Turkish market. And not only that, but we have met also people from other markets. We met people from Saudi Arabia, we met people from Lebanon, and from other countries as well, like Moldova, like Russia. So maybe we even have chance to find a partner in another country as well. We are happy about the show. Thank you very much, and it is good to participate here. Very good.